Hey everyone, certified lymphedema therapist here. Let's go step by step through a full routine of lymphatic drainage for the face and neck to help move fluid for a healthy lymphatic system. If you want printable handouts, check out the links in the description box down below. If you have any new symptoms or pain, always check in with your doctor for clearance. This is something that can be done daily, and I personally like doing it in the morning as the face tends to be more swollen in the morning due to gravity from laying down all night. So first, let's start with 4 deep breaths to help stimulate the deeper lymphatic structures. This will increase flow of lymphatic fluid through the large vessels. Placing your hand on your abdomen, gently pressing in for some pressure, take a big breath through your nose, pause, and slowly exhale out of your mouth. Repeat that 3 more times. Then we want to stimulate the lymph nodes that are right around the collarbone or clavicle area. This is where all of the fluid goes to before it goes back to the heart. So putting your hand directly on the area and doing 10 to 15 circles in either direction on both sides. After we've stimulated these lymph nodes, then we want to stimulate the lymph nodes that are right around your ears. All of the fluid in the face goes to these before moving down the neck. So putting your hands on either side, doing nice big circles 10 to 15 times on both sides below your ears. Then we want to move the fluid from below the ear down the side of the neck to the lymph nodes around your collarbone. This helps clear out the area before we move fluid through your face. It helps break up any congestion that might be sitting there. So doing 5 to 10 strokes down the side of your neck from your ear to your collarbone before doing the same thing on the other side. The pressure should be nice and gentle as the fluid sits right below your skin in the vessels that we call superficial vessels. After we've cleared the neck area, then we're going to start to work in the face. The fluid moves from the middle of the face, below that jaw, out towards the lymph nodes that are right below that ear. And so gently working out towards the side and then down. If you look in the mirror, it looks like you're drawing a 7 with your hand or a backward 7. So moving from the middle of the face out towards the lymph nodes below the ear, and then the fluid moves down the side of the neck. You can do 3 to 5 strokes in each area or spend more time in an area if you need it. After we work below the jaw, then we can work right around the chin. The fluid right below the lip moves to the lymph nodes that are right underneath the jaw. If you're working right above the lip, it works out and around and down. You can do 3 to 5 strokes in each area, and then when you're ready, move that fluid outwards, guide it along to those lymph nodes following that same path. Then as we work up into the cheeks, working from the middle of the face, out towards the side and down to right below the ears. 3 to 5 strokes, working nice and gentle below the eyes and around the face. Spend more time in any area that you might see more fluid or feel more puffy. You can work above the eye, up and around. And we can also work up into the forehead area, moving from the middle, out and around to the sides. Again, moving everything towards the lymph nodes that are right below and around your ear. Go back and finish in any areas that you might need more help. And then when you're finishing, working all of the fluid that we moved to the lymph nodes below the ear, down the side of the neck, towards those lymph nodes around your collarbone or clavicle. I like to spend 3 to 5 strokes or spend a minute or so in each area, just to make sure that you don't have any clogged fluid still there. Once you've spent enough time clearing out the area, then we can go back and re-stimulate those lymph nodes one more time, just to make sure that they're active and working quickly. Doing 5 to 10 or up to 15 circles below the ear and also around the collarbone or clavicle. After we finish with that, then we can finish with 4 more deep breaths, putting the hand on the belly, gently pressing inward, taking a nice big deep breath in before letting your breath go. This will ensure that all of the deep vessels are helping to move the fluid along in your abdomen and getting things moving back towards your heart. And that's a full routine for lymphatic drainage massage for the face. Be sure to check out the other lymphatic drainage videos on my channel for other areas of the body.